A national seminar on social science research institution and development in Northeast India was organized today by the Center for Gender Studies, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, in collaboration with the Indian Social Science Academy. The resource persons include Professor Sambit Malik, IIT Guwahati, Professor Rana Pratap Singh, School of Environmental Sciences, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, and Dr. Sabrina Iqbal Sirkar, Pragjyotish College, Guwahati. Apart from others, Dr. Sirkar, in her presentation, said that within feminism and gender studies, the body has occupied a key position in a wide range of debates, including men's control of women's body as a key means of subordination.
And it was glorified all over the internet. That picture was making its rounds. Look how sacrificial mothers can be. This is the love of a mother. This is how mothers should be. Don't you think that woman was entitled to rest? We are actually glorifying oppression. We are glorifying sacrifice as love. And then when women give up everything, when they have no purpose, they feel that they have no purpose to live because they have, exhausted their service life towards their family, towards their kids, towards the society.